Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can turn off people's volumes on Roblox. So like do it like per person, I guess, if they're being loud or annoying. This will only be there if you have enabled voice chat. I have not, but you're just going to select the Roblox logo here. And you're going to select the mute button next to their names. Again, I don't have voice chat enabled, and it's only available for some games like the karaoke one and maybe the roleplay ones as well, but that's how you do it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!